Welcome to 904 Vernon Avenue in Glencoe, Illinois. The homeowners of this Victorian farmhouse that was built in 1907 were looking to replace their old wood siding, which was impossible to maintain. But luckily, we were able to step in and offer the solution. For this project, we used James Hardie lap and straight shingle siding in the color light mist to restore the original look of the home. We also installed James Hardie Soffit and Fascia in the color Arctic white and added white seamless gutters and downspouts as well. With the help of high-quality 3D modeling software that our design consultants use to capture the client's visions, and the optimal craftsmanship of our construction crew, Siding and Windows Group never fails to bring the final product to a successful conclusion. If you're ever looking to renovate the appearance of your home's exterior, trust the experts at Siding and Windows Group to help you out. Not only are we the #1 Hardie Elite preferred in Illinois, but we are also #3 in the entire region. What are you waiting for? Give us a call or visit our website to schedule your free consultation today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exterior renovation content like this in the future.